Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on how to achieve your goals quicker. And before we get started, click that subscribe button down low. Follow along with more videos like this sent straight to your inbox every single week. Also guys, this is part of a blog post I wrote on my blog. Make sure to check it out and subscribe on my mailing list there. Let's get started. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm reading books like Think and Grow Rich and The Master Key System, which talk about the law of attraction, attracting things into your life using visualization. And they always talk about one goal or that one desire. And I haven't really found anything that talks about the multiple desires. And right now I have multiple desires and multiple goals. In fact, I have three main ones, okay? So these three main ones, I'm trying to visualize with them, and the problem I would have is with multiple goals, I would be confused and I would have a lack of focus. As I'm sitting down visualizing, I would see one thing in my mind and then I would move to another and then move to another, and I would not really ever feel the feeling and I would never really see the images clearly. It would always be a little blurry here, blurry there, blurry here. So remember that what you visualize is what you get. What you see clearly and what you feel is what you get. The subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's imaginary. So in this case, you need to make it real in order to achieve it in life, to attract it to you according to the law of attraction. So you need to focus on the feeling. Make sure that you're focusing on the feeling and those images and making them clear, precise objects in your mind. But as we're saying, with multiple goals, it's very hard to do this. So I have a two-step solution for you on how you can overcome this. First is, as you're writing out your goals, I like to list out all of the individual feelings. The individual feelings that come along with the goals. For example, one of my goals is to get my YouTube channel up to 10,000 views, so this way I can monetize the channel with YouTube ads, right? I've been doing this for a year and I'd like to make a couple of dollars on the side from doing this. So at 10,000 views, I get the ability to become that. So that's my goal, right? When I'm visualizing now, I wrote down, before I started visualizing, I wrote down the feelings that I would have along with that. So first, I would see that 10,000 views clearly on my account. Then I would feel the feeling of having that release of, wow, I finally made it to 10,000 views. That confidence that people are watching my videos and people actually are benefiting from the videos, that I'm helping other people. All of these things it helps me feel and see clearly what I really want from this goal. Now the second step is that I split it up into my visualization time, right? So I visualize for 15 minutes every single day, morning and night. But since I have three main goals, I split that up into 5-minute segments, where in those 5 minutes, all I visualize is that one specific goal. The three goals are not related, but they benefit each other. So that first goal of the YouTube, right, I focus on for 5 minutes, very intensely, those 5 minutes. Then I move on to the next goal for the next 5 minutes and the third goal for the next 5 minutes, right? So you do this for as many goals as you have, right? I really don't suggest doing more than 3 because you only have 24 hours in the day and you're sleeping 8 of it. So if you're awake for 16, you can't really make too much progress in all 3 of these areas if you're constantly, especially if you have a job that you need to support otherwise. So try to focus on 2 or 3 goals and use this same tactic with you're writing out the feelings and the images and then splitting up the visualization time so it's fully focused on that one thing, not on multiple things, because that's where you lose the clarity and you don't use the law of attraction to your benefit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how you achieve your goals quicker. Please become a patron. Check out my Patreon, guys. I really appreciate the support. Also, follow me on social media. I got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm posting there daily. And as always, remember that a chapter a day lasts for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one.